Hi guys, this is Barista Abhinav. Today I am going to tell you about the coffee machine and its parts. And let's start the topic. First of all, understand the parts of the coffee. First, see, this is this is a drip tray. And this is a drip tray, and this is cup warmer or warm tray, and this is steam wand, this is steam nozzle, and this is group head, and this is group head, and this is manometer is used for temperature gauge or pressure gauge, and this is portafilter, and here is water tap.